Hey friends, in the last video while creating this wonderful amazing website for electrical services, electrical installation services, we discussed a very useful plugin for WordPress Core Rollback. So you may need WordPress Core Rollback feature for certain cases like you can simply roll back WordPress Core to the latest release or any outdated versions even in case if you are having trouble with the current version that you are using, and the secure release using the Core Update API and Core Updates methods. So you can use this plugin for Core Rollback simply. So in this video, we are going to watch the same in action, how easily we can use this rollback plugin in case you are troubleshooting your website, and this could be really helpful for you. So let us install this plugin. This is available for free at WordPress repository. I am going to download this core. Uh, this core rollback is downloaded now. I'm going to add the plugin here, and I'll add new plugin. It's going to be super simple. You don't need any developer assistance for doing all these things on WordPress website, as you know. So the install now feature is here, and you can simply install the plugin. So don't, it is always mentioned during the video, or I always used to say, don't install any plugin just for testing purposes at your live website. It may create some additional tables at your database that never goes even you are deleting the specific plugin. So don't hit and try or plugins until you are not sure that you are going to use that particular plugin. This is why I'm making videos on the plugin, so that you may understand the features that you are targeting, what features are available with the plugin, and you can take the decision for installation or choosing any other plugin. So now the rollback is here, and let us see it in action. The rollback core is here under tools, so we can check this here, and it is simply, so you can simply select the version that you want, and only the stable releases will be displayed here. So you don't need to worry which version you should choose. You can simply choose this another version, the previous version, or the last version that is available for rolling back, and you can simply choose it, the version, and simply click on the rollback. So select the rollback version from the drop down menu, click the rollback button. You'll be automatically redirected to update core PHP page, and uh, use the reinstall button to roll back on the selected version. So it is going to be super simple. I am sure you are going to check this in case if you need the rollback action for your WordPress website troubleshooting. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, more wonderful tools, more good WordPress themes and plugins for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. But yes, don't miss to subscribe this channel if you are anyhow connected to website development. Thank you for watching.